What's up guys, Isaiah here. I know you don't see me too often. I'm typically at the front counter on the phone all day, but little do they know, I do security too. Good morning, how are you guys? It's Blackout Tinting. We're more than happy to have you here with us today. Let's go take a walk through and see what we got going on. Once again, it wouldn't be a work week without having one of Justin from Horsepower Obsessed Car here. We have a ZR2 back in. We fully wrapped everything with Expel paint protection film, and then now we'll do a little bit more polishing on the tail lights here, and then we're going to cover it with Expel Fusion Plus ceramic coating, nice 4-year coating that's going to make this truck look amazingly beautiful. Next up, we have a 2021 RDX here that was here for tint. Didn't have anything on the front driver and passenger windows, and so they just wanted a little consistency, and we tinted that up for them as well. And next to that, we have one of our good customers here. He brought us a G-Wagon. From the factory, it came satin finish, and so we did the same thing. We put paint protection film on the entire vehicle, our Expel Stealth finish, and it's looking beautiful and just about ready to go home. We also have another vehicle that was here for tint to match the 2 front driver and passenger windows, 2018 CR-V. We did just so, and everything is looking nice and clean for him. Subaru Legacy here. We did a silver package from Ceramic Pro a couple months ago. Got into a little fender bender, and so we're here to just recover the parts that got fixed. One thing that a lot of people don't know is if you have a ceramic coating, typically insurance will cover that. Behind me here, we have a beautiful 2020 GT500 from Ford here. Customer actually brought to us last summer, got a lot of PPF done, about maybe 60% of it. And of course, the parts that he didn't get covered took a little bit of damage, had a nick here, and he has decided to move forward and just have the rest of the vehicle wrapped and protected. You know guys, we here at Blackout Tinting are always doing paint protection film, and customers know what they know what kind of parts take damage. And on this particular Wrangler here, the rear fender on the face of it tends to get a lot of nicks on there for the customer, and so he wanted us to protect just the face of it, which we can definitely do for him. But last year we did some racing stripes on this Beetle here, white gloss, very nice. And apparently something happened with the hood that the customer needed to get some work done. So we had to take the stripes off on that, and now we're going to go ahead and reapply them for him. We have a F-150 here for a seasonal detail. Going to get that all cleaned up for him. Our good tech here, Blake, is cleaning up some PPF on this Cayenne. We did the full front clip, so full hood, full front fenders, front bumper and side view mirrors. And a customer who owns this actually did a little bit more to protect it. It's a very cheap add-on. We call it our full wear and tear package. Protects all the very commonly interacted with areas. The door cups, edge of the doors, and on the interior door sill, we protected that as well. Here we have an Audi Rs3. We had recently tinted the full windshield, but when he's getting his inspection done, the station kind of damaged it, so we stripped and retinted the full windshield for him. Here we got a black F-150. It is next up for Expel Fusion Plus coating. So behind me, we got this beauty of a Mustang. It's a 1969 Mach 1. The owner's been doing a little bit of work on it for the past 20 years, getting it up to the point where he wants to, drive it around as much as possible. Finishing touch, getting a nice paint correction, have a nice gloss finish once we're done. So with this Cayenne behind me, white diesel Cayenne, it's a very different one. We did some different kind of work on here. We took off 10-year-old PPF, turned yellow on him. It was just not looking very nice. So we took that off, and then next up we're going to do a Fusion Plus coating on it. So expect a video on that on Friday. Stay tuned. A lot of Mercedes here this week, so right here, we have a 2021, I believe. It's a GLC 300. It's getting ready for a silver package and interior ceramic coating. So that way on exterior, it's going to be nice and easy to clean. Interior, and not going to have to worry about stains and things like that. And also behind me, I have a G63 getting a full paint correction. Going to do a ceramic coating, and I believe we put PPF on the fenders as well, keeping them protected against rock chips, scratches, and other basic preventable damage. I'm sure you've seen this before in our previous videos. It's a 620R, beautiful vehicle. The owner actually tracks it, and so paint protection film can only do so much. So it did take a little bit of a damage there, and what we're going to do, just touch it up for him, replace certain pieces, and then we'll have him ready to go back and tearing up the road. And to top things off, always moving, always going on, we have this Range Rover here that's getting a seasonal detail. We'll clean it up for them, make it beautiful. So, to all of our subscribers, thank you. We appreciate your support. If you like our videos, smash that thumbs up button. And if you have any ideas on what we should record next, give us a comment. Let us know. Do you want us to go do something crazy? We might do it.